Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how I use flowcharts to organize my agenda items in my introductory level classes. My name is Jing Tu. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Communication at Indiana State University. I've been using flowcharts to create concept maps and flowcharts for my classes, especially for those with a heavy component of lecturing. This is an example of flowchart that I created for one of my Media and Society classes. There are multiple tabs at the bottom of the window showing all my charts for different classes. As you can see here, I use 4 different colors and several shapes to represent key tasks to complete and concepts to cover during this particular class. This class is built on 2 core concepts on the left in the pink capsules. I started from the top left, making sure 2 major scholars and their work are introduced before I get to the discussion items represented by yellow diamonds. On the right-hand side, I recorded students' responses to the middle discussion question. Towards the bottom, I returned to the second core concepts following this thread for class lecture. This flowchart helps me to better organize class time and provide me with an overview of the key concepts and discussion items. Compared with lecture notes, I like using flowcharts to organize my key agenda items and record my pedagogical development. The shape panel on the left-hand side is what I use the most often for this flowchart. It provides a variety of shapes with filling colors. You can always change the shape or color after dropping them on the canvas. For example, for this shape, after selecting the shape, you can go to this little circle that says change shape, and these are all the shapes available to change to. To change the fill color, click the fill color button, and for stroke color, use the line color button. To add text on top of the shape, simply double-click on the shape and start typing. You can always adjust the font size and color using the toolboxes at the top. I can change font size back to 12 for this one, and font color can be changed over here. Additionally, if I need to insert a picture, I can drop the picture directly on the canvas. There I have the picture I need. So in summary, I like to have a more holistic view of my lecture agenda using flowcharts, and I hope you will find it helpful too.